Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a Python-based application to extract information from PDF invoices or bank statements or other documents like driving license or degree transcripts, etc. So basically, we have a multi-page PDF file called invoices, where there are multiple invoices in this single PDF, and we have an output folder which is currently empty, and I have this program over here which I'm going to run through command line. Although we can also make a GUI version of this, but for automation purposes, command line is a better option. So I'm going to run it through command line, and it shows me that it has one PDF file in this folder. I can select the number 1 and press enter. So basically what it does is it will extract all the pages and place them in this folder, and then it will convert each of the pages into JSON files with the extracted information. So basically it is generating a JSON file for each of the page one by one. So we can see that the data is coming up and the invoices are being converted into this JSON. And after all the files have been processed, we can use another function to basically put all the extracted JSON content into an Excel file, or we can upload it to Google Sheets through an API. So the program basically uses AI and a Google AI model to extract information from each page. So the information usually does not require proofreading, as most of the information is accurate, although sometimes some tricky items might be misspelled. But in my experience, the data is more accurate than the previous OCR programs that we have been using, like Tesseract or other models. So this AI model performs much better with different formats and different kinds of documents. So let me know what you think. I can customize this program any way you want, so that we can either place this for automation, or we can couple it with a web application or things like that. So let me know what you think. Thank you very much. Bye.